How to lock files and folders in Windows 10. So let's get started. Firstly, right-click the folder you want to lock and select Properties. Then select Advanced at the top of the General tab. Now, check the box next to Encrypt Contents to secure data and select OK and then OK again on the Properties windows to save. Now, Windows will prompt you to back up your file encryption key to avoid permanently losing access to your encrypted files. Now select Backup Now if you follow the notification to back it up. Start the certificate export wizard by selecting Next on the first screen. Keep the default selected and then press Next again. Now select the box next to Password to enable the password and fill out the text fields below and select Next. After that, choose where to save the PFX file and give it a name. Select Next to review the information you provided and select Finish to complete the export. After that, select OK on the successful export prompt. If you ever need to use this certificate, just open it from wherever you saved it and follow the on-screen prompts. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.